Hi there, this is Chris, and in this video we're going to have a look at blog basics. And a blog is a really fantastic tool to have on a website, and unlike other website builders, the WordPress blog system is just completely scalable. You can have as many posts as you'd like, as many categories. You really can go to town with the marketing potential of having a blog. So if we have a look at the blog on this website, now this is the butterfly website, which I've been sort of customizing in all of these how-to tutorials. But you can see that we've got two categories. One is news and updates, and the other is well-being and well-being advice. Now, well-being advice is really fantastic. That's sort of giving your customers content that would attract them to your website. And of course, once they're on your website, they're more likely to start building up trust for you and the authority you have in your industry. And then more importantly, they're just one step away from clicking onto one of your services. So if we have a look at that blog post, so we've got a Muscle Blast group class, that would be more of a news and updates, obviously. And the great thing is that we've got these share buttons added in there so that your customers can start sharing your content with their friends. Again, it all helps with marketing. So a blog is a really important tool for you to utilize on your website. I would encourage you to start putting out content, but also news and updates. So in this video, what we'll do is go over the blog basics, which is how to create a category that is helpful to us and how to create posts. And we'll also look at how to delete a post. Now, the reason why you might want to delete a post is because you could just go through these existing example posts and change the content and the pictures. But blogs actually have sort of like release dates and creation dates tied to them, and even stats on how many times they were viewed. So I would encourage you to start from fresh and actually delete all of the existing posts. But what we're going to do is create a category and then create an example post, and then I'll show you how to delete a post after that. So if we go along to the dashboard, top left dashboard, and we're going to want to go to posts, and then I'll just show you, have a look at all posts, and this is where we can see all of the posts that are on our website. Now, quick edit is a really fantastic little thing. So we can just change little things very quickly. So coming very soon, and then you update, or you could change the tags. And if I quickly show you that on the website, you can see that it's coming very soon. So we can make very quick changes, which is really, really fantastic. And the good thing is with blogs is that we can edit with Elementor as well. So all of those style features and all that design capability, and even animations and linking buttons and videos, you can easily put those into your blog posts. And that's really great content marketing. Anyway, let's get on with this. So we're going to go to categories. And there are two existing categories that we've used, and they are under the umbrella category of our blog. Now, I'll just quickly show you that this category is our blog, and within that we are displaying two categories. So when we create another category, we're going to want it to be in this one. Okay, so let's create new category. And the slug is something that it shows up on the address bar, and you really want it to be quite relevant. It helps with your SEO as well. So, but generally it fills that in for you anyway and adds hyphens to the spaces. This is a category description. That would be helpful for your customers. So in news and updates, we've got stay up to date with our news and announcements. Here we've got become informed on ways to maximize your well-being, blah 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 blah. So you'd want to write that here. Now, importantly, parent category, we want this one to be beneath our blog. So we're going to make the parent category our blog, and it will become indented. So add the new category, and there we go. Okay, so if we jump to the website and we refresh that, we've added a new category, but it's not showing up. And the reason for that is because we don't yet have a blog post in it. So let's go along to add new, or we could go to all posts and then click add new. And here we are going to add the title. So this is a cool title. And we would then want to add a feature image. So that's this here. So we've got the title already. We've got the feature image, which let's use that one. It's best if it's more of a landscape one, but this is good for purposes now. And we also want to add this post to a category. So we're going to put this in new category. Now we could save a draft and then edit it and then publish it when we're done. I'm just going to publish it now, just so that I can show you. Refresh that page. And you see that this is automatically added to our blog. So we've got the title, we've got new category, and now new category is showing up here. And the great thing is that if people want to filter, they can look at all of your news and updates, they can look at all of your well-being advice, and they can look at whatever's in a new category. Absolutely great. So they can pretty much find whatever they're looking for, and hopefully some of this is going to, grab their interest also. So going back to blog, we're now looking at our blog and we have this new post. So how do we actually add content? We could use the block system in WordPress, but we don't want to do that when we have Elementor. So click Edit with Elementor and you'll be very familiar with this. Simply start adding sections, and then within the sections you start adding the elements. So let's bung that in there. Bit of an example, let's make that a bit smaller. Let's make the color something more to do with our global color, and then we'll add some text. The great thing with using Elementor in your blog is that you can actually put videos in there. So I'll chuck that in. And right now it just shows a placeholder video, so that you can just see that it just plays beautifully. And you can change all of the settings here. This really makes it very good content marketing. And the last thing I would say you can chuck in is something like a button. So you've got a great call to action in a blog post that reaches out to your customers. So once you've done that, you can click update, and then let's view that. So you can click on preview changes. And there we have it, a really fantastic blog post with a video, so you can link that to your vlog. And then we've got social sharing here as well, and it's all categorized, it's all displaying beautifully right where it needs to. So go along to the blog, and there we are. Now just to quickly show you, if you go to the home page, this website has this element here, and it's already updated for the newest blog post. So that's pretty cool. It keeps everything up to date on your homepage for your customers, grabs their attention with updated info. Okay, so the last thing we want to do is delete a post. So let's go to dashboard, posts, all posts, and we simply want to trash one of these. So I'm just going to trash that one, our new one, and you could just trash any others. By the way, if you go to this tab up here, trash, you can see that you can actually permanently delete all of these, and that keeps your website all a bit cleaner and nicer. Okay, so those are blog basics. That's pretty much everything you need to know to get started. So you can create a category, make sure it's underneath your general category, our blog, and then add or delete posts within that. Hope you found that useful. Get in touch if you need anything, and I'll see you in another video, I'm sure. Thanks so much.